Marquez and Direct Jeffrey Chuturian. Direct, sa gitna ka, Direct. Ano to? Sigawan? Pokwang sweet? Okay, let's give the mic to Angelica. Please greet everybody again.
Wait lang, wala si Z. Pero papunta na siya. Nag-CR lang. Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ngayon pa lang, Merry Christmas. Maraming salamat for being here, Gigi Benson.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for being here. Congratulations to our producers, to our creative team, and to you, Angelica. We were here for you. We love you. Our families, our friends. Thank you. Let's all have a lovely time. Thank you.
Hello, sorry I'm late. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ngayon na ibinigay niyo sa Mary, sa mga kaibigan ko, pamilya ko, at sa lahat ng mga katrabaho namin. Wala pa akong opinion sa pelikula dahil ngayon ko lang hindi mapapanood. Pero naniniwala ako sa napakahusay na pagkakasulat ni Direk Chris Martinez. At syempre sa direksyon ni Jeffrey Chuturian. Pero nagkakamali, ang huling pelikula niya, extra pa. So malaking pressure to para sa matapatan ang ganda ng pelikula. So yun, sana mag-enjoy tayo. Sabay-sabay mo natin panoorin ang kanya.
There we have it, the cast of On Mary, and may we invite you to please have another photo op here in front of the cinemas.
Right, compress tayo.
Compress
Let's
po tayo, and
Let's have a
everybody
group
get your
photo.
cameras out for a group photo.
Angelica Z, andito rin si Tita Cory.
Opo naman ko.
Ayun! Together with Chris Gasman. Oh my God, talagang full support. Ayan, let's... Naiyak na si Angelica sa tensyon! Grabe! Okay, let's pose for photos. Let's go, let's go!
Okay, video pala siya. Okay, hello.
Thank you.
Alright!
Unmarried team, you may now make your way to your assigned seats. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Shumaniman.
About to get started. MJ, exciting to!
Ay, nako, sinabi mo pa. Grabe. It's just really good to see a lot of our industry friends who are here to support
Showing all-out support.
this movie. Not just for Angelica and Z, but also for Attorney Georgie Alonso of Quantum and Cineco Production. So, it's a good night. It really is a good night, Michael.
Thank you so much for everybody who gave their effort and time to be here despite the traffic, the rain. Magsisimula na po tayo.